Hi everyone. So I got my I got my Felicity Jane order in for this month, and I can't wait to see what it is. So this is a monthly subscription, and it's around, I think it's $46.95 for this subscription. So let's see what we got. I didn't see any sneaks at all for this one, so I'm excited. So you always get your, so this is called Abigail. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can turn my things more, since there's no glare, or I mean there's no, I don't know what I'm trying to say. This is, oh, look at the bows. The bows are so cute. So I like using this part too. I haven't used their collections in quite a few months because I stopped doing traveler's notebooks when I discovered, what do you call it, 3D projects. And so figured out my silhouette and how to print and cut out all that stuff. And I love when you get the numbers. It makes life so much easier when you do. And so you get that, and then you get a stamp set, which the stamp sets are always awesome. So there's just still too much glare. There we go. So this is what it looks like. But I don't want to stop the subscription because I think it's like $46.95. I'm not positive. It's less than 50 bucks. I've had them for a while, and I don't balance a checkbook. So yeah, so I don't know how much it is, but it's in that range. It's either 46 or 48. And so these are cardstock frames. So pretty. But yeah, so I love them, and eventually I'm going to use them, I promise. But I can't stop my subscription because I love everything I get from them, and I think the value is worth it. So, and I know I will use it. I have used quite a bit on my Project Life. These are designer tabs. They all have like Smile Maker. They have words on these top ones have words on them, and then the bottoms are just decorative. So yeah, I love that. So yeah, so I just can't see myself stopping this subscription. Not yet. I mean, desperate times call for desperate measures, right? Which is you get rid of all your subscriptions and all the fluff. But right now, I am okay. I have just enough to get some fun things. So, but yeah, I'm so excited. I love this. I love this company. I don't really have to deal too much with their customer service because, everything's great. So, but when I have in the past, they've been on it, so I think one time I've had to contact them. I don't even know if I had to, but, yeah. I love their stuff. I do know that the only complaint that they get is their stuff is more geared towards, girls. And they don't really have boy collections. So, but a lot of people don't mind, and a lot of people will incorporate this stuff into their boy layouts. So, hey, it's like, what do you want to do? Because you just love the kit so much. And especially if you have like 3 boys at home or 1 boy at home, and so, but you still love the kit. So I don't know. I love it. It's amazing. And then you get these chipboard stickers, and the quality is so good. But I mean, I think it's worth it. Don't you guys think? I mean, look at how much you get, and then you get. Make sure you all, like I always tell you every video, make sure you go through all this, because I have lost paper clips in there at one time, and when I went to go throw it in the trash, I heard some rattling. And then you make sure you lift up the paper too, and then that way because sometimes they have little embellishments that are like little paper clips or just something little, and it gets lost sometimes in when they ship and they get rolled around. Look at these bows. Oh, look at the little buttons. So you get these bows, which are so cute. Then look at the little buttons right there. So fun. I love that. So yeah, I love it. So anyways, this is Felicity Jane. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below. All right, guys, take care. See you next month. Bye.